In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can completely uninstall WPS Office from Windows. So for it, first of all, let's go to our Windows search option. Then we are going to go to the settings. So just search for setting. Here you can see settings. Click on this, then go to apps, then go to install apps. So here we are going to search for WPS, and here you can see WPS Office. So you need to click on this three dot, then click on uninstall, click on uninstall again. So here we are going to just click here directly, uninstall directly, then click on uninstall now. Then we need to choose this option, no longer using it, clear data to ensure security, click on OK. So this will start uninstalling WPS Office. And there you can see it is done. So after that, just close this, then we'll go to our folder, and in the folder we'll go to local disk C, and so in the local disk C we'll go to the users folder, then we'll go inside this user folder, and here you need to look for app data folder. Here you can see. So if you do not see this folder, then just click on view, click on show, and here you need to check this on hidden items, so it will show this app data folder. So let's go inside. After that, just go inside roaming, and here you will see a folder called Kingsoft. Here you can see Kingsoft, which is a folder from WPS Office. So you need to delete this folder, and WPS Office is completely removed from your system. So I hope this tutorial was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.